Hello guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on our channel, G and J's Danger Zone. And today we are revealing another bike for you. So if you can guess what we might be revealing, leave a comment down below. And also hit that like and subscribe button, guys.
Help us out guys, we'll get some new videos, we'll get loads of content. Like I say, mechanical repairs, all sorts of stuff, spraying. Yeah, so we'll keep you posted, keep these videos coming for you guys. So let's show you this bike then.
Right then, there's our first reveal, guys. If you haven't, second reveal. Yeah. So we're building slowly. So check this out, guys. What we've got to show you today. Hey guys, right, here we go. This is another bike we're revealing. Can anyone guess what this is?
Put in the comments what you think it might be. 3, 2, 1, time's up.
Time's up, that's it. Right guys, there we go.
Right, here we go. A little bit of the back first.
Hey.
A little bit of the front. You know what it is yet?
Come in a little closer and have a look. Can you tell? Here we go, look at that.
There is another one behind, but we'll do that in another video.
So I'll let you into a little shot of the tyre for the one that's behind it. And that's all you're getting, guys. And there we go.
Right, let's get her out then.
In all her glory. That's our little putt for on the weekends, guys, when we go out riding. This is what we'll be using.
The weekend ripper.
That's it. So, okay, we're going to pull her out, guys, and get her started up for you and show you how she sounds.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we're back. So here she is, our beast in all her glory. And she's a Kawasaki.
Yeah, she's 2014 Kx450F, single cylinder, twin cam, 4 valve head. It's around 56 horsepower, I believe. Yeah, it's pretty beastly. It's a bit of an animal. This is my first motocross bike I've ever owned, and everyone said don't bother with 250, go straight for 450 because you'll get bored to the 250. So I went for the 450, and I think they were right after riding a couple of different bikes. So yeah, it's an absolute tool. It needs a bit of work. It's rough and ready. I've hammered the death out of it for probably about 20 rides. I've only had to change the oil and filter a few times. We've done rear wheel bearings, pads all round, and the rear swing arm linkage bearings. But other than that, we've not really done too much to it. It's pretty much stock apart from the Aquapovic exhaust, full system that is. And yeah, she's
let's go around and have a look at the exhaust system.
I'm going to show her on this side, this way for the exhaust.
Come round, sorry.
That's it, and she is. Got the header and the back piece. It is a bit battered, it's got a few cracks and stuff on it. It's been dropped, this bike, fair few amount of times, I would say. But yeah, it needs a new rear tyre. I've blitzed that. That was new when I got the bike, so that's all the abuse I've put it through pretty much. Have I changed the tyre on that? No, I don't think I have. I think that is the tyre I got with it. Yeah, she's had a new plug with me, new air filter, new oil and filter, just done all the bits. Oh yeah, show that clutch. I put a hydraulic clutch on it because the original clutch was very stiff. You get arm pump very quickly, so that you can just pull that with one finger. It's really light. And down here, G, if you show that, that's the actual master. That's it working. You can pull that all day long and you don't get arm pump from that. You just get arm pump from holding on if you ride like a lunatic. Couple of extras, not much. It's got green pegs, it's got the RFX gear lever, the hydraulic clutch, it's got a green 51 tooth sprocket, I believe that is. I think it's a 51. So yeah, it's pretty talky. Yeah, well, let's talk in and let's fire it up, shall we?
That's it. Right, we're gonna fire up for you guys. Show you what she can do.
She is very awkward to start. Just take it off the stand.
As you can see, she's a little temperamental, but
I just don't know how to start a crosser, to be honest. I am useless.
I know I've got to film it for him, so I look forward to that.
Show her out and about.
Hey guys, right, well there you go. We've shown you a little bit of what our little pup cups can do.
450 beast. Yeah, we'll be taking it out this weekend, so we'll get some videos of that. We'll be absolutely giving it death on the weekend. Yeah, we've got oil and filter to do before the weekend, so we'll try and get a video of that on as well, just so you guys can see us doing an oil and filter on this beast, on a 450.
Yep.
Yeah, and like and subscribe.
Yeah.
If you like what you're seeing, then yeah, we'll keep doing it, guys, for you.
Yep.
See you soon.
Stay tuned, and we'll be back with a lot more.
Yeah, take care, guys.
Thanks, guys.